Hey people, I'm Papapoo, and today we're making a potato. So first you get the potato, you get your peeler, and then you want to peel this bad boy. How you peeling, potato? I'm a savage. I usually just do this over a trash can. But for your sakes, people, right over a napkin. Now for your potato, you need to get a bowl and fill it up with water. And start grating that potato. I recommend using the large holes. It's okay if you don't use the large ones because the small ones work just fine too. I've had some success, but I want to do larger ones because I want to have a little bit more potato to my fry. Now, isn't this how you make hash browns, you ask? Why, it certainly is. Now, if you got kids, little brothers, little siblings, I highly recommend you assign them this task because it takes a while and it's kind of lame. You want to be careful when you get to the end here because that's where you can start hurting yourself on the grates. This is where you tell your little brothers and little sisters or kids that are doing this for you to stop. You have to get off your lazy butt to do some work here. I'm not gonna bother with this nub.
Yeah.
Alright, and there's your potato shreds. Now I probably should have put a little bit more water because they're already starting to go brown. I'm gonna go fill this up a little bit more to do what we need to do. We're gonna fill it up with water, we're gonna see it get all murky, and rinse it out. We're gonna do it several times until the water ends up being clear.
Now we don't want hash browns, so we gotta rinse it so it's not all clumped up. Now you could probably get away with a colander, but I'm gonna use a sieve here to hold down the potato bits. Now you'll watch closely as I speed this up. You're gonna see the water get clearer and clearer as this happens. After about a minute or two, it's gonna be no longer murky, and that means you're done. Go ahead, pick some of it up and let it drop. See how it doesn't stick anymore. No more starch. Time to hit the stove. Turn that baby on hot, throw the pot in there, and put a couple cups of oil in there. I use olive oil because I'm fancy like that. Not only does it not break down, but it's one of the healthiest things you can put in your body. Now that oil's so hot, it's gonna evaporate the water instantly and it'll get violent. So you wanna dry off those potato shreds as much as possible. Now don't be like me. Wait till your oil gets piping hot before you throw the potato shreds in there. And be sure to stir them around occasionally because you really don't want them sticking together. Now you wanna cook these babies for about 3 to 4 minutes until the edges turn slightly brown. You really want to use a small sieve to kind of scoop these things out and dump them in a paper towel covered container of some sort. And follow one cardinal rule whenever you're doing anything fried. Season it right after you scoop it out. I'm using parsley and salt here. You can choose whatever you want though. Give these babies a good toss and then you're good to serve. Stack it. Look at that. And I'm gonna give myself a good condiment side dish like chipotle ketchup here.
Oh yeah.
We did it, it's made, it's here, and we even got a little bit of chipotle ketchup sauce on the side here. And I figured we let our boys take a test of this. Ned, Paul, come on in. Got some food for you.
Hey,
Where's Paul?
Paul's not coming. He went off the grid.
Hey folks, this is called living off the grid. We're in the middle of a lake. Yeah! No internet can get us. Look at those mountains. Got that snow. Yeah, that's America's bird right there. This is America. Got that water. I'm proud to be an American. Oh yeah. Nothing more American than fishing. You know, sitting there doing nothing. The American dream right here. Terrorists can get us. We're in the middle of a lake.
I met a new friend outside.
Fine by me, the more the merrier.
He practices safe social distancing, so he's a responsible person. Someone who cares about social distancing has got to be a good person, right?
Sure.
All right. He was right behind me. I don't know what he's doing now. Doctor! Oh, I hear him. Let's go.
Are you in the right place?
Ned, you left me behind. That was very rude, and you know how I dislike rudeness.
Hi, who are you?
Oh, forgive my manners. I am Dr. Clean. I was on the understanding you required my services.
And what services are those?
Oh, I clean and I clean. I clean there's nothing left to clean. I never leave a mess when I'm done.
Oh, okay. Would you like to have some dinner?
Oh, a dinner.
I can't offer you anything refined.
Well, I would be overjoyed to be included on this dinner.
Okay, we'll just eat and then you'll be gone, okay? I have to have a word with Ned. He was supposed to have a meeting.
Let us commence.
Okay. Ooh, the little sticks.
I mustn't let a mess get by me.
Ooh, dip it in this. Ooh, yeah!
It is clean.
That is delicious. Oh, oh, oh.
And the food is clean for me.
Ooh, I need more. Ooh, yeah. Dip it in the ketchup. Ooh, that's the chipotle ketchup.
You could almost say these fries are to die for.
Oh.
Provided me a great deal of a meal.
I'm just gonna get a little bit of this on the side over here.
May I offer you my services? I never leave a mess when I'm done with things. It was a pleasure. I enjoyed the food very much. I shall not partake in any more.
Thank you.
Here I was thinking that I was ready for a cleaning. Alright, I have a job at this hour of the night. Some cleaning must occur.
Thank you for coming.
It was a pleasure acquainting with you, Papapoo.
I hope to see you again soon.
Maybe next time I may offer you my services. Farewell.
Don't ever invite that guy over again, Ned.
Well, people, we did it. Hopefully you enjoyed watching me fumble around with this new dish here. Like, subscribe, please. Send it to a friend. And if you can't go another minute without these dastardly good looks, then go ahead and check out my gaming channel called Papapoo. We play lots of games. I play with some friends. It's a whole lot of fun. Go ahead and check me out over there. In the meantime, thanks for watching. Peace.
Hi, Speedy. Need to dispose that oil? No, because everyone knows you're supposed to dump your stuff in the local storm drain over here.